How are folks born in the month of July? So if you don't know the date you were born or the year you were born, but you do know that you were born on one of the days in the month of July, well, you are in luck. As part of this series today, I'm about to share your relationship, your money, your wealth, and overall personality with my bonus tip you don't want to miss. Hi everyone, this is Jaya Karamchandani. Welcome to Invincible Passion Talk Show. As part of this series where we have so far discussed from January to June, today is all about July. So how are the folks born in the month of July? Before I share, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss the episodes that we release here every Wednesday and Sunday in English and Hindi. Now, quite intuitive, quite mysterious, quite secretive are people born in the month of July. Now, let me just go ahead and say in the beginning of the episode that not everything will relate with you, but some parts absolutely will relate. And I look forward to your comments to know what part you were able to relate. So overall, a very pure soul, compassionate. They have clarity in what they want to do. They are talented, skilled, and gifted. Somewhere, either they are suddenly they lose their temper or they'll be happy. But what is important to them is their compassion and their caring. They care for their family. And one of the gifts is they know when, what to say and how to say. And that saves them a lot of hassle and trouble. They have some attractive personality and aura. So overall, number 7 is associated with them as the July is the 7th month. In terms of relationship, these people are very dedicated. They take their time. They don't rush into any relationship. However, when they are young or when they do rush, it either leads to breakup or they take a long sabbatical before they really get attached emotionally with someone. So they prefer not to rush into any relationships. However, once they are associated, they are authentic, they are genuine, they love and care, then they stick with that relationship because they are loving and compassionate. In their life, they struggle or things don't come easily to them. 7 is the lucky number. July month number is 7. Now, July month born, folks will find that they always have a strong hunch what's about to come, or they feel that this isn't going to happen or this is going to happen. That is a big, I would say, hint for them if you're born in the month of July. Listen to your intuition. Listen what your gut feeling is saying. Most of your struggles will be resolved if you put your efforts in the humanitarian efforts, or you utilize your skills or some of your time in serving the community and making it a better place. The progress comes in your life not just from hard work but the divine blessing. Now, progress will come to you if you have the work or you find yourself in the creative fields, sports, marketing, business, occult, spiritual, consulting, technology, research area. Think of these people are anything where you are trying to look for evidence, anything you're trying to find invisible. So legal field as well, occult world as well. Overall, it's a lucky number. I have seen many of the number 7s will settle outside their country or they settle in a foreign country. Also, some way or the other, they find that maybe there was a zing of luck that helped them find that success. Things change, so a big part is the luck as well. But they learn in the life, and sooner they learn and they implement whatever their learning is, they find success. They take time to make up their mind, but once they decide, they do go with it. And some of the famous personalities are like Dalai Lama, Azim Premji, or Nelson Mandela. Uniqueness in what they do, and sometimes their thinking is ahead of the generation of the time. But it's again, once they decide, once they know that they have to do it, they do not stop. What takes time is making up their mind. Otherwise, number 7, it's a great personality, progressive mindset, thrive in various fields, money by hard work, but because security and stability is important to them, they are very careful. I would say utilize Monday and Friday as one of your days where most of the things get done easily. go for light colors, not dark colors. And overall health-wise, a little cold and cough, or I would say problem in their feet, or the mood swings, sometimes they complain it's hurting in their eye, but it's usually the cold and cough. However, if they want to eliminate a lot of hassles in life, I would say go completely vegan, vegetarian. Avoid non-veg. Now, please consult with your medical professional before making such choices. Here what I'm discussing is overall the month of July. Now comes the bonus tip. A lot of the struggles in your life you have observed or that has helped you mature faster, I would say, but once you find success, you may find yourself getting egoistic. So the minute you observe that you're getting egoistic, let it go, because that's a sign that trouble is on its way. So best is let go of ego, you will let go of trouble. Other thing you can do is, whatever you're doing, do not get too attached to it. Have that detachment with you that you are doing it, that's part of you, what you have to do. Because you may find struggles or anything you get too emotionally attached, you end up losing it. Either the relationships or the promotion or the job or whatever you were attached. Now, I'm not saying this happens with most of you, but I'm saying that I have seen for the folks who are born in the month of July. However, if you do what you're supposed to do or what you're doing, but be ready that it can go either way, then you're detached to the result. That is what number 7 from the month of July is trying to give you a learning. You will find success. You will be blessed in terms of money, or you are blessed in terms of money and career. Your innovativeness comes from your inner guide when you follow that hunch. These were just a few things that I wanted to talk to you about the folks born in the month of July. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to share and let me know what part you were able to relate more. I'll see you soon.